All right, so the next part of our packet that we're going to discuss, next little mini lesson, is warm and cool colors. Okay, so your warm colors refer to your reds, your oranges, and your yellows. Okay, and your cool colors refer to like your blues, your greens, and your violets. Now, what is significant about this? Well, first of all, if you look at your color wheel, example like right here, you can divide your color wheel into two parts, right? So if I take this piece of paper and I divide it like this right here, you're going to see that I have my red, orange, yellow, and yellow, green. These colors here are warmer. They give they're a little bit more exciting to the brain, so they're a little bit more attractive. And that also means that in using colors that are on the warmer range, you're creating parts of your composition that look like as they're going forward into space. Okay. Now the other half of the color wheel is being defined by your red, violets, blue, green, and green. These colors are a little bit more calming colors, and they also are colors that tend to recede in a composition. In other words, you can use cooler colors to make create space, create distance. Okay, but for right now, you just need to know that the color wheel can be divided in half. Okay, and we're going to divide it between the red, violet, and the red, and the green and the yellow, green. So let's go ahead and just start by kind of jotting down what our that the warm colors advance. Okay, and your cool colors recede. Go back in space. If that doesn't make much sense to you right now, that is okay. Sometimes that's something that comes with experience of just beginning to look at more art. Okay, so what are we supposed to do for this here? All I want you to do is to show me what are those colors. Okay, don't think too deep about it. I want you to pick out your warm colors. So your colors that you're going to use are going to be your oranges. Okay, so maybe this is your orange. Maybe this here is going to be your red-orange on the outside. And just demonstrate to me that you know what the warm side of your color wheel, what your warm side of your color wheel is. Now you've got to include that yellow-green, so I'm going to go ahead and put my base down for my yellow-green. It's got a little bit more yellow in it. This is important to know, especially if you go on into fiber arts. Going to fiber arts, one of our very first projects that we do, you really need to understand the color wheel. We need to do a yellow-orange as well, so we're going to put a base coat down of yellow. One way you can kind of double check yourself on this part of your color planning sheet or your color scheme, color theory, is to peek up here, and you want to hit each one of these colors. So there should be 6 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so make sure each one of those is represented in there. And then same with the cool colors. And when you're finished, it'll look a little something like this here. Okay? All right, good luck.